Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to find the Wi-Fi password on your laptop. Start by looking at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the network icon. It looks like a small Wi-Fi signal. Click on it once. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will appear. Find the one that you're currently connected to. This is usually shown at the top with the word "Connected" under it. Click on that Wi-Fi name. After you click it, you'll see a small menu appear. From that menu, select Properties. This will open a new settings page for that specific Wi-Fi network. Scroll down until you see the section that says View Additional Properties or Advanced Settings. Click on that. A new window will pop up. This is where you can access more details about the Wi-Fi connection. In the new window, there will be a few tabs at the top. Click on the one that says Security. In this tab, you'll see a section labeled Network Security Key. This is where your Wi-Fi password is stored. At first, the password will be hidden behind dots. To see it, check the small box that says Show Characters. Once you do that, the password will appear in plain text. That's the password your laptop is using to connect to the Wi-Fi. You can now write it down, copy it, or use it to connect another device. That's it. You've successfully found your Wi-Fi password using your laptop. Thanks for watching.